Inspecting overhangs at decks. A deck attached to a cantilevered floor is not allowed. This illustration here shows a deck ledger right there attached to an overhang or a cantilevered floor of a house, and they should not be attached to these type of structures. Standards have not permitted deck ledgers to be connected to the rim joists of cantilevered floors for many years. Band joists attached by a ledger must be fully supported by a wall or a sill plate below. Many deck failures have been attributed to a cantilevered floor rim joist pulling away from the house or shearing downwards. Band joists are just nailed to the ends of floor joists. Without any direct support beneath the band joist, the nails alone can't support the load from the deck that's attached to it by the ledger board. So right here, these are floor joists probably hanging out, cantilevered out, and they're banded together by a band joist or a rim joist right here. And it's only by nails. So if you have a deck attached to this band joist, it could easily pull out because the band joist here that's supporting the ends of the floor joists of the cantilevered floor, they're just nailed in, easily withdrawn. So when you see a deck attached to a cantilevered floor joist, be careful.